conversion of repeating decimal fraction to P by Q form. We take an example. Express 0.81, the repeating decimal, in P by Q form. Solution. We find that 0.81 is equal to 0.81818181 infinity. Suppose that let x is equal to 0.818181 infinity to infinity, and 100x is equal to 100 into 0.818181 is the number, equation number 1. Equation number 2. We find this equation 2 multiplying with 100 of the equation, the both side of the equation 1. We get this equation from the equation 1 multiplying with 100 both sides of equation 1. Now subtracting the first equation from second equation. Now equation number 2 minus equation number 1, we can write it. $100x is equal to 81.818181 from equation 2. And the first equation, x is equal to 0.818181 from equation 1. We find from these two equations, from the left hand side we get 99x is equal to, from the right hand side we get 81. We simplify, x is equal to 81 divided by 99. We can simplify this value of x (11) 9. We can write 9 by 11, which is in P by Q, Q is not equal to 0 form. Thus, we can find this P by Q form. It is enough for today. Thanks a lot.